The proposed 2013 budget of the Commission on Elections has been passed at the Senate committee level. The outlay is 8.4 billion pesos. At today's hearing, Senate Leader Alan Peter Cayetano grilled the COMELEC officials on the ballot printing. According to Cayetano, there was a reported defect in the ballot printing by the supplier Holy Family Printing. This was denied, however, by COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes.
No. Because you admitted that Crown Jewel ang printing ng ballots. Yet you delegated it without asking them first, are they capable? And then nung may issue, and then you did not send a commissioner or you did not monitor it, at ngayon lang kayo nabulaga, nung naglabasan na ito.
I don't think there is really this kind of anomalies. Palagay ko, meron siguro konting mali, meron man. Pero not enough to nullify it in terms of